excited to announce that we have HCA's 2023 Excellent in Nursing Award for Compassionate Care to Jean. Come here.
Come up here.
Jean is sunshine. She brightens up a room, she makes people smile, she puts them at ease. So it's much more than just compassion, it's who she is, and that is something that is just innately Jean.
You know, you have some nurses that their skills are really good, and you have some that are really compassionate, but she's just the whole package.
She's what you would want in a nurse, taking care of you, taking care of your family, taking care of the patients within your facility, and really the nurse that you want to be when you set your eyes on that career path.
We show up, we work hard, we work together, we cry together, we laugh together, and we hold the hands of our patients that are going through their most vulnerable times.
She fits into that category of a very special person that's called to be an oncology nurse. That what she does in her personal life, what she does here, aligns behind that, and that she's doing what she's called to do. And she exudes that when she's interacting with the patients.
So she comes up with these ideas and special moments for not only patients, but her colleagues, which then everybody else is kind of like, oh my gosh, you've just raised the bar, and how can I try to celebrate a patient differently? Or how can I make an impact in somebody's day? When people are having a tough day, which inevitably it happens in healthcare, she's the person that can change that trajectory during the day.
I know yesterday at the assembly they talked about Megan, and Megan was a huge person on this unit altogether for a lot of reasons. And there was a level of heartbreak when Megan passed away.
She was with us for a long time, and one of the things that was really important to her was getting engaged to her longtime boyfriend and having some kind of celebration. Jean thought about this the way that we would want any of our family being in that situation, and she wanted like a full-on celebration, and it was as good as any wedding reception that you would ever get to attend.
Just the way that they invited us into their family that week, and really for a couple of years that we got to care for her, it was so impactful, and another reminder of why we do what we do. We mourn those losses just as much, but then you have to just chin up, and you have to walk into the next patient's room, and you have to turn it off, and you have to be there for that next patient in that moment. But just to have that ability is such an honor.
I never understood empathy until I met Jean. Like, I'm a nurse, I love people. I drive on operations though. I'm very black and white. I love organizational lists and everything. And Jean does all of that very well, but she also is driven purely by emotion. And it's absolutely inspiring.
To be a part of something so much bigger than yourself, to be able to like walk that journey with these patients, it's very humbling, but it's very fulfilling. At the end of the day, you go home and you realize like I'm doing the best that I can, and I'm able to provide this for these people. That's what fills my cup.